Be a short one. Just wanted to film a quick update video on one of my favorite communities. This is actually in Lavon, but it's Wiley ISD. This is gonna be Hillstead. If you haven't seen that video, it's up above. But they have finished their amenity center, and I wanted to show it to you. So let's take a look. Over here, we got pickleball, still drying. Keep off the court. Over there we have just a beautiful courtyard with lots of seating. And back this way, it's kind of closed off right now, but check out this beautiful pool. Like, that is so nice. With that view, it's gonna be good. Yeah, let's take a look just a little bit further out. I'm gonna speed this up so you don't just see how slow I walk. We have Perry Homes, Drees, American Legend, and Highland over there. All great options, all fantastic deals, especially for what you're getting here. Just look at that clubhouse. This beautiful green space. Like, as far as amenity center go, this is such a nice one. So yeah, like I said, it's a short video, but if you are interested in learning more, I have an in-depth of everything you need to know about the 4 builders here. This is moving. It's moving very quickly. So don't miss it. This, like I said, is still in the great, highly rated Wiley ISD. So be sure to check it out. And as always, we don't know you need help until you reach out. My number's here below. I'd be happy to be that resource for your family.